Let's understand the AI stack. At the foundation of the AI stack lies the semiconductors, or the technology from NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. Their GPUs and the AI accelerators provide the raw computational power that drives the training of these large language models. Building on this computational foundation, the cloud providers like AWS and Google Cloud and Azure create that scalable infrastructure that makes AI accessible. Now, it's a crucial layer that enables the training and deployment of foundational models. Cloud providers maintain the massive compute clusters that is required to train these models and then provide the infrastructure needed to serve them to millions of users simultaneously. Leveraging this cloud infrastructure, companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Meta have developed foundational models that serve as the building blocks of modern AI applications. Now, these models, trained on massive data sets, provide natural language processing, image generation, multimodal capabilities, reasoning, and problem solving. Now, these models then represent a crucial inflection point in the stack. They are that bridge between raw computing power and practical applications, providing the intelligence that developers can build upon. And this is also the layer that has helped reduce that time to market for AI use cases. At the top of the stack, the companies take their foundational models and then transform them into specialized solutions for specific industries and use cases. They do this through two primary approaches: fine-tuning, which is adapting the foundational model for specific domains, training on specialized data, and optimizing for particular tasks. And then RAG, which is retrieval-augmented generation, enhancing those models' responses with real-time external data, providing the up-to-date accurate information, and maintaining data privacy and control. Now, the emergence of Agentic AI represents the next evolution in this application layer. Similar to how humans break down complex problems into manageable steps, Agentic AI also decomposes the complex task into logical sequences and subtasks, then executes multiple steps autonomously, plans and adjusts its approach based on intermediate results, and then it interacts with various tools and services to complete the tasks externally maybe, and then it learns from each interaction to improve future performance. Now, as the AI stack continues to evolve, we will see even more powerful infrastructure, models, and applications emerge. And I'm excited for what's to come. If you like this video, like and follow for more deep technical concepts in cloud and AI.